1961. American surgeon Thomas J. Fogarty invented the Fogarty embolectomy catheter. 1962. The first hip replacement surgery via low-frictional torque arthroplasty (LFA) by Sir John Charnley. 1963. The first liver transplant was performed by Thomas Starzl et al. 1964. The laser scalpel was invented. 1967. The first successful heart transplant by Christiaan Barnard. 1967. The first successful coronary artery bypass surgery. 1972. The CT scan was perfected. 1974. The first Tommy John surgery. 1974. The first blunt tunneling, cannula-assisted liposuction. 1982. The Jarvik 7 artificial heart was successfully installed. 1983. Robot-assisted surgery began with Arthrobot in Vancouver. 1985. The first laparoscopic cholecystectomy by German surgeon Erich Mühe. 1985. Positron emission tomography was invented. 1987. The first successful heart-lung transplant. 1995. Use of adult stem cells in neoregeneration of abdominal wall aponeurosis, used in surgical treatment of incisional hernia. Indian surgeon B.G. Matapurkar. 1998. The first stem cell therapy. 2000. The Da Vinci surgical system was approved by the FDA. 2001. The first self-contained artificial heart, ABioCor. 2001. The first remote surgery using the Zeus robotic surgical system. 2005. The first partial face transplant by French surgeon Jean-Michel Dubernard et al. 2008. The first full face transplant by French surgeon Laurent Lantieri et al. 2008. The first HIV to HIV liver transplant at Groote Schuur Hospital in Cape Town, South Africa. 2011. The first successful double leg transplant by Spanish surgeon Pedro Cavadas et al. 2012. The first successful mother-daughter womb transplant. 2012. The first human hand transplant by surgeons in Leeds, England. 2012. The first double arm transplant by surgeons at Johns Hopkins University. 2013. The first virtual surgery using Google Glass by surgeons at the University of Alabama, which they call Virtual Interactive Presence in Augmented Reality. VIPAR. 2013. The first growing of a replacement nose on a patient's forehead by surgeons at Imperial College in Fuzhou, China. 2014. The first penis transplant by surgeons at Tygerberg Hospital in South Africa. 2015. The first skull and scalp transplant by surgeons at MD Anderson Cancer Center and Houston Methodist Hospital in Texas. 2016. The first penis transplant in the United States by surgeons at Massachusetts General Hospital. 2016. The first uterus transplant in the U.S. at Cleveland Clinic.